Hey guys, we received these earth magnets for test and try. Neodymium round magnets for fridge, whiteboard, office, classroom or any other use. So comes in this nice pack and you can see they're very strong magnet. You can see it's very hard to even take them apart. It's like a size of a nickel and they are really very strong magnetic strength. So small and you can easily put it on a fridge or your cabinet like the magnetic or the metal cabinet, and they can just stop the things or hold the things for you. Is very nice and pretty so nice design. So around 3 mm or I will say around 15 mm in the width, but I like the strength of these magnets. They are really strong magnet, and you can put it anywhere on a metal surface. You can see the attraction power of these magnets here. So overall they are very nice and helpful and very great. So I'm just putting it on a refrigerator metal one. So you can see the clip is not sticking to it, but when I use this magnet I can easily stick this clip on it. Similarly, you can also use different metal surfaces and then put it on it. You can also use this magnet to hold your paper or anything on a metal surface. So very strong magnetic things for that.